Hi everybody, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you the pattern of a back strap or curtain strap. This video is dedicated to you. So let's go. Start the slip knot and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert your hook in first chain, back loop of first chain, then make 3 single crochets in first chain and turn. Skip first stitch, insert your hook into this loop of second stitch, then make 3 single crochets in this loop. 1, 2 and 3. Repeat again. Skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the third stitch, then make 3 single crochets in this loop and turn. Skip 2 stitches, then make 3 single crochets in this loop. 1, 2 and 3 and turn. Skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into this loop and make 3 single crochets in this loop and turn. Repeat again and again until you reach the desired length. 1, 2 and 3 and turn. Make 3 single crochets in this loop. 1, 2 and 3. Keep going. Now I reach my desired length. It's so easy to make, very cute and nice. I hope you like this video. If you like such videos, I'll be happy to be with you by subscribing. See you soon. Bye guys.